Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to IC Market webinars, guys. Okay, can you guys hear me? Okay, sure you can. Okay, shall we just wait for 1 minute for Elvin to tune in and I will start the session. Um, okay. Okay, shall we start again, guys? Welcome to IC Market webinar. So today's also about live trading section. If you have any specific instrument you want me to have a look for you guys, just send a request. All right, if don't have, I will just go through major and touch on indices and commodity. Okay. And before I start the webinar, disclaimer first, all right? This is marketing communication and does not contain and should not be construed as containing investment advice or an investment recommendation. Okay. I want to highlight like over here, somewhere around here. Okay. IC Market Global makes no representation and assumes no liability as to accuracy or completeness of the information provided, nor any loss arising from any investments based on recommendation, forecast, or other information supplied by IC Market Global. And risk warning over here, trading forex and CFD carry a high level risk of your capital, and you should only trade with money you can afford to lose. Okay. And about myself, my name is Peggy. I'm an investment analyst and a prop trader. Okay, so like every Monday, so it's about live transaction. So before we look at our chart, maybe just go over and look at economic calendars news for entire week. So basically, again, time zone. Okay, you just change according where you live. So basically, I just keep at the UTC. Okay, there's news coming today, April 28th, which is all day. There's no specific timing given. Okay, for the CED federal election, and Tuesday on April 29, 2 p.m. for US dollars or anything paired with US dollar, just take note of that. And April 30, 1:30 a.m. Aussie dollar CPI. Okay, and all day, no specific timing given as well for the EUR. Okay, and 12:15 p.m. okay, ADP for non-farm employment change, and 12:30 p.m. for CID, which is GDP, and the rest is US dollar. Okay, so just take note of that. May 1st, JPY. Okay, no timing given as well. Just take note of that if you want to trade like anything that pair with JPY like USD JPY or GBP JPY. Okay, and 12:30 p.m. unemployment claims. 2 p.m. we have PMI, and Friday, May 2nd, 12:30 we have non-farm payroll and unemployment rate. So just take note of all high impact news coming for this week. Okay. Okay. Let's just go over to our chart today. Okay. So basically, actually, I already highlight the key level, but I can do that again. Okay. We look at the dollar first. Okay. So basically, the DXY or dollar index is approaching our key level, which is first resistance. It's about 100 8.30. Okay, so this is our overlap resistance level. Actually, price break below the support, right, on 11.14 here, and you can see that price it pull back on March on April 15, right? So you can see this is still key resistance for the D1 candle. Okay, move on to H4. So basically, I will just highlight the key level based on H4. But if you have specific time frame, you want me to have a look for you guys, just send in the request, okay? If not, I just stick on H4. And this is our second resistance level. Okay. Maybe today there's no news, that's why you see the price kind of like, you know, ranging around this level. If we go down to maybe M15, so basically price is ranging in M15. Okay, just ranging M15. So back to H4, that's why it look like this. But if you go to M15, I just show you guys, you'll see it's just ranging here. Okay, first support level for DXY, I will just refer to this like wick here. I will just identify first support level, and actually we could combine with Fibonacci retracement. That would be somewhere around close to 50% fib level. Okay, you see that break above and then pull back. You can see the rejection and rising and pull back up again and rising. Now it's just sideways. This is gonna be second support. I will just add 78.6% fib. Okay, exact right here. Change the color. Okay, that's a key level. I'll go to EU. Again, EU, if you look here, what do you see, right? EURUSD, basically what we see price make you know, within a triangle. So actually we need to wait for price to either break below or break above. The key resistance level just above this this triangle here, which is this is identify the first resistance level. Okay, and over here, let me just remove. Okay, basically the first support level, I just pick this swing low support here. Now there will be two scenario, which is if price break above this triangle, if I break above, you can say pull back, and then you can target here for your TP1. Okay, and TP2, this is going to be your TP2, which is your second resistance right here. This is your second resistance level. Okay, either or price break below, either you need to wait for the pullback and then you sell, you target here for your TP1. If they break below, this is going to be your TP2, which is our second support. Basically they are lined up with 61.8% Fibonacci level, exact. Okay, right here. So now we need to wait for price to choose whether they want to break above or break below. A good day to you guys. Okay, if you have any specific instrument you want me to have a look for you, just send in the request. Okay, same here. I think today, because there's no like news, and Monday relatively like quiet, even like, you know, start up London section is really quiet. You can see that headphone candle, right? Just no volume like today. So either today no volume, maybe tomorrow you might just keep this key level for tomorrow as well. You can, okay, let I look at the GBP. Okay, now again, now GBP, it seems like price break above and this triangle. Okay, now is at our resistance level. So now if you want to sell here, you can see that is like up with 61.8%. If you want to sell at this level, between this level, what we want to see? We want to see the rejection, which is I go down to M15, I see the rejection over here. If you want to sell now, based on what I can see here, I can sell. That is a bit risky, okay, but where is your stop loss? I will put my stop loss above this resistance level. I see the rejection here, and I might see, okay, these are overbought as well. For scalping, you can sell now. We can target here for your TP1 for scalping, okay? And let's say that we sell now, we aim for like 24 pip, okay, or 20 pip. Now, so you sell now, just now, if you have a like fast finger, okay, you sell now here. This is gonna be your TP1. Where my take profit? Right here. Okay, so it's about 20 pips. Stop loss above this like swing high. Okay, like just now I say sell now, that will be somewhere around here. You target here, right? About 20 pips. Stop loss maybe here. So the eyes are about 1 to 1. Okay, now we have a GBP set up based on sell in M5. Just use the M5 trade setup and maybe put here for TP1. Okay, we will see stop loss. If you can take risk, that is your like stop loss above your first resistance level. Okay, USD CHF. Give you the price like just now we sell here, and you take profit somewhere around here, and your stop loss don't have to be exact as like what I show you guys. It depends on your lot size, depend on your account size as well. Okay, somewhere around that. It might, you know, go in the zone here. So if you want to, this is high risk trade setup, but I just see the rejection and I think this is the zone. Okay, so I sell. UJ, oh no, USD or USD CHF. The you wait, okay, we wait to sell, and this is a pullback resistance level. Okay, this is your very nice pullback resistance level here for the B1. Okay, but let's see. Okay, so you sell at this level. Okay, that is your first resistance. This is gonna be the second resistance level. Okay, this is your support level. You see that when I draw the Fibonacci, right, you look here, we need to identify the key level, and then you put the Fibo, you see that, oh, it seems like first support level is not light up or close with any Fibonacci. If don't have, that is okay. You don't need to adjust your level based on your Fibonacci. Okay, unless there is no level for you, and then you can refer with Fibonacci level, but in this case always stick with your key level first and then you pull Fibonacci. Okay, so in this case either I want to leave 38.2% fib retracement, that is like, you know, somewhere close to, basically if I see the bigger zone, like the zone is so big like this, either wait for price to fall to the zone and then it's wait for rejection and then you can buy from this level. Okay, I think you can see that it seems like sideways. Okay, like price just sideways on the lower time frame. Okay, so either you wait to sell if price rising, you sell if price falling first, you buy. Okay, okay, now this level I'm not interested anymore. I prefer this level. Why? Because at this level price already bounced off from this level, right? So you want to buy again, this is still the flat zone, like the first support, and then I saw that 38.2% and I see this demand zone. So I'm not interested in this level anymore. This is gonna be the zone that I'm interested to buy up. Okay, the next support level is here, that will be 38.2 and 61.8% fib. Oh no, 78.6. Okay, this is gonna be the wick and the body. You can see the body and the wick, which is the wick, line up with 78.6% fib. This is gonna be the zone. Okay, okay, so this is the level. Okay, this for USD CHF, another one UCAD. This is support level, we're going to buy from this level, right? This is a monthly support. Okay, weekly time frame, I see the price action, so we buy. Okay, so if you want to buy the UCAD weekly, you can see this is oversold already. Okay, and UCAD also ending with bullish order block. Okay, this is your bullish order block, ending with PA or bullish engulf, right? So you want to wait for price to pull to this spot and then you buy. So now what we want to see price pull to this level and then you buy up. Okay, so basically you just request for the major. Okay, I will touch on BTC and gold and oil for you guys. Okay, so this is gonna be your first support. Okay, this is gonna be your first support for H4. Let me and this is gonna be the zone. I remove this one. So you want to buy, you wait for price to pull or to fall to this zone and then you buy. Okay, follow the higher time frame, and this is your second support. So basically we want to apply to falling here, and you buy up. To where? To this first resistance, which is multi-swing high. Basically, this is the resistance that price cannot close above, right? Okay. Second resistance. Okay. So if you to look at the UK4 candle or time frame, you'll see price is just ranging. Basically, actually this level, price already you know, bounce from this level. This one should be line up with 50% fib. So I'm not interested to buy again at this, you know, level anymore. I still have one more flash zone, which is 61.8% fib. Right, you can see that 50%. So we still wait to buy at this level. Okay. And okay. And then another one, USD JPY. Okay, we wait to either buy here at the overlap support level, or you sell at the resistance. This is the number. I already highlighted the key level. Okay. The next resistance level is here. But let's look at the higher time frame. What do you see? I will go to monthly candle. Monthly candle price come from the support level. Actually, it's about 40, slightly falling 40%. Okay. Based on the D1 for the position trading, okay, you can hold the USD JPY. I think price can, you know, falling even more. The key level for monthly time frame for support should be somewhere around here. Okay, but now you will see the rejection because this is the, I think, another liquidity zone somewhere at the week here for the monthly candle. Go back for the weekly. Okay, for weekly, this is a weekly support, right? Weekly support, you buy and then you're gonna sell, follow the higher time frame. You buy up and then you sell. So if you want to sell, we will sell at the first support level in the D1. Okay, yeah, you can see at the D1, lower low, lower high, right? Somehow make equal, see my make equal high, follow going down, maybe here continue to fall, which is in D1 candle. This is a resistance level, price cannot close above, right? And they're still on the bearish trend. Okay, right, we sell. Okay, we sell, we follow the monthly time frame. Okay, monthly time frame, the high make a lower low and lower high. Okay, so we're gonna sell the UJ or USD JPY. Then you ask me, what if price falling, break below the support level, or if they break below your first support, it's gonna be your pullback resistance level. They will show you this kind of pattern, right? Pull back to the neckline, or maybe they pull here all the way here, maybe pull back here and falling. Okay, either the all the way to the second support, or they may be just somewhere around here and pull back first and then going down like that. Okay, sometimes it not have to be like pull back exact at the neckline, but if there might be somewhere around here, either like FVG or somewhere, if you can find, okay, they might pull somewhere around here and then fall. Okay, either one. BTC. BTC, we want to wait to buy at this level. They will come or not. They come, they did not come. They did not come to this level. Actually, for the BTC, right? I want to buy, which is, you can see for the BTC, price is come from the support level and H4, right? Ending with Boolean gap. So basically, this is the bullet at the block. Basically, I want to wait for, I want to see like price is falling to the box and buy, but it seems like nobody want to sell. Now they keep buying, but again, this order block is still fresh. So if price come in the box here, you may consider to buy. Okay. Okay, so you wait for price to pull here, somewhere around here you can buy. Okay, buy within this zone. Start buying at this level and like this level. This is within bullet order block for the H4, the blue color. That will be 30.2, I think, upper one. So basically, I'm not interested. I want to buy at least at 50 and below. Okay, like for somewhere at least 50 or somewhere around that, and then rising. And you want to zoom in 15 within the zone, right? Within the zone that we want to buy, there is FVG or fair value gap somewhere around here. Okay, either if you want to buy within the 15 minutes candle FVG, you can buy somewhere around here, around this price. So you need to monitor. Okay, with the price come in to the FVG and close to 50% FIB and within our bullet or the block, you see the rejection confirmation and then you buy. Okay, gold falling. So basically, actually, our waiting to sell at this level, right? But price did not come to this zone. Price did not come to this zone. So when H1 candle is closed like that, I will just go to the lower time frame and get the entry. Okay, so this zone price did not come, right? They did not come to this zone. In M15, they're just touching at the wick. And this M15 trade setup, which is like this level only. It's in the zone and then falling. Okay, so let highlight the key level. So you were to buy at this level, pullback support, this level. Okay, and another support level is here, and you will see that there is 50 and 61.8% fib. Okay, that's close to. This is going to be your zone. So you can buy 32.44 to 32.29. So I know that the zone is big, right? That's why it's always wait for price to come in the zone and you buy. Okay. If you want to buy when the first time price come, if you see the rejection in lower time frame, you can buy. But the momentum sell is very strong based on H4 time frame. And the D1 candle, you can see that ending with red. So today we will look for the sell entry. Not buy. Even to buy, you can buy, but you need to wait for to buy at the key level at least 50 or below. Okay. You want to see like that and you're going to buy? No, right? We want to buy at this level. Again, it's at your own risk if you want to buy. Okay. So now this is, I will consider this my first resistance at 33.16, and this is my second resistance level. But today, no, there is no high impact news coming. Okay, but sometime the New York section might give you some surprise. Okay. Somewhere 61.8% projection, meaning they will look something like, or I will use the extension, that would be 127. Okay, so buy here. Okay, around this zone we have the extension 127, we have 50% fib level. So basically we should buy at, if you to buy 32.44 if you see the confirmation. Okay, but the zone that you can start to buy, which is 32.35. Okay, this is the setup. You wanna buy at 33.44, no, 32.44. You want to buy this, wait, okay, wait for confirm. Why can I move? Okay, wait for confirmation. Okay, and if you don't see, okay, buy zone H4 32.30 to 32, 30 to 32.35, which is this number. At your own risk. Okay, you can take risks, you can just go for it. And another lovely zone, which is this level. Okay, oil. So you guys, this is a zone, you get the pictures already. Okay, we'll continue to the overview here. I still think this is my key level, okay, for the first resistance level. If they can break above, that's gonna be extension 127. So sell here at the first resistance level. It seems like price cannot close below this intermediate support level here. Come first time and then bounce off. The key level still there, so there is no entry yet for the oil. But if you want to buy, if you see here, I will just put here for intermediate support level, meaning that if you want to buy, if you see the confirmation, you buy. But if you want to buy with the order block, this is gonna be another zone to buy. A 50% fib. Okay, so I'll identify, I just maybe pick this one for the first support, and then slightly above that is order block, so you may just monitor. Okay, so whenever I see like there's a bullish order block somewhere here near to the key level, I will monitor, meaning that if price falling to this zone and I see the confirmation, I always say confirmation. Why? Because if you wait for confirmation, you will have the tight stop loss in the lower time frame. Let's say price break below support level, another zone you can buy. You see there is no level at all here. I will refer to this order block, gonna be my second support, and here we will add 78.6 exact. That's gonna be the zone, and this is gonna be, I will refer to other block, and we have 78.6 to support our second support, right? You can see that. Of course, the zone is quite big. You want to highlight, this is the zone. Okay, you can see that rejection, bullish end gap. This box still fresh, so if price falling, you may consider to buy from the second support. Okay. Okay, let's say the zone is big. What we can do in H1 to have the, you know, really tight zone here. What I see in M15, I saw there is an order block here, but it seems like it's like, you know, has been used already, because this week, right, falling, like rising and then falling to the box here, it's been used based on M30 because this week. So even I see like that, I'm not gonna use again. Let's just go down to the M15 to see. There's another zone that I want to there's, now I narrow the zone. Green. Eh? What happened? Okay, so you can wait for price to come if you want to have, like, you know, at least where monitor this price. I will change to the this color. Okay, meaning that if you see that the zone is big, okay, for the second support, this is the zone that you monitor. Okay, when I don't know when will come, it will. Okay, maybe this week or next week. But the thing is they need to break below first support first, right? And then they will come to this one. So this one's still fresh. Okay, you see already, right, how I find the entry. Okay, okay, anyone beside this, beside oil, guys, you want to request? US30. Anyone want to request? No, no one. Okay, maybe I just touch on Aussie dollar. You can see that from the resistance, now it pull back, make above pull back, become support, hit your another resistance level. US30. Okay, Ajay, you here? You keep quiet, right? I thought you're not here. I thought you are not here. Okay. Actually, I highlight the key level already. For the US30, do you buy here? I tell you guys to monitor this level, right? You can see that eventually they come, right? You see that will come to this level for the monthly time frame, or even like the weekly candle, right? You can see that when they come, then the bounce off. Do you buy? If you buy, I'm happy for you. And this is gonna be the resistance level that I'm looking at for the TP. If you want to buy from here, this is gonna be your take profit. You buy, okay, happy for you. You still hold? If you still hold, I'm happy for you. Because I say already, whenever it comes, just buy. Okay, first time come, just buy. Okay, this is your resistance level for D1, right? You buy here, you take profit already, right? Now I will go to H4. The key level, monitor this one. Okay, but the next sell zone is gonna be here, second resistance level. For the first resistance, actually they come for quite a few times already. You can see that they came here. You can see the rejection. You even can see here like those are price action and falling. Okay, all the way to right here and then bouncing off. So if you want to buy at this level, you see confirmation, you may buy. Sorry, you may sell. But if you want to sell, I prefer second resistance level. If first resistance, if we see the confirmation, I will sell. Okay. That's key support level. This is the second support. It's just now it's no volume, right? It's not just sideways. You look at M15. That's sideways here. For the M15 scalping, there's going to be somehow your sell, right? Your sell entry somewhere around here, right? Your sell entry based on the wick and the body. Here, right? Your sell for scalping. You see your confirmation where this is your price action. Okay. If you sell in M15, this is going to be your TP1 or take profit. That's going to be a take profit for M15 if you sell from here. But if you not sell, that is okay. Then you wait for this level. Okay. Any pair besides US 30, 50%. No, 30.2. That's gonna be the zone. The width somewhere around there. Resistance, pullback. Monthly. There is a support level. Weekly. This is the next support level. First resistance. Second resistance here. You might see the somewhere around here to sell. Okay, I think I will just consider this my second resistance level. Yep. This is first support. Second support. $38.2. First resistance. Okay. If you were to seem like that, like it seems like price is just ranging in first resistance and first support. Okay, first resistance you can sell, that's extension. You can see that's extension 161. Okay, and we have 50% fib and 61.8% at second resistance level. So you sell, okay, at first resistance. Okay. Okay, guys. Any pair beside this before I end the webinars, guys? Okay, last one, last pair. Anyone want to request? Anyone want to request, guys? Beside one more pair before in the webinars. Go, I think falling, rising. Okay, we wait to sell. Okay, I will do it at the order block. Okay, if you want to buy, you want to sell, this is the price. Okay. Okay, last one is the AUD, CAD. Right, the IC market. Wait. There's fire. This one, I have that. You see, when I see the level like that, that is not a nice level for you to trade. Unless you sell in here and then you hold. Okay. For H4 candle, what you can sell is here at the order block, which is your first resistance is right here. And this is your second resistance. Okay. Assume this is your first support. This is going to be your second support. For H4 candle. Okay. The last one, OC. IC market don't have. Is this have? AU, AUD, CAD. Okay. Oh, no. You asked for all correct. Okay. H4 key level is here. Price is just ranging. It's not good for you guys to trade. Okay, when you see like that, you don't trade. That is gonna be the first support in H4. Second, support right here. This is your second resistance level. Okay, this is the one. Now you need to wait. Okay, there's no level for you to trade. Price is just ranging still within the box, which is this, the box. Okay, all right guys, thank you so much for joining. Okay, I will see you guys again tomorrow. Okay, so basically tomorrow you'll see me for the chart pattern. Okay, same time. All right guys, hope to see you guys again tomorrow. Okay, happy trading guys. Bye for now. Take care. You're welcome.